Hello students, today we are going to learn list. It is the most effective way of presenting information in a particular manner. It is also used to emphasize on important points. In HTML we can create three types of list: unordered list, order list and description list or definition list. So first we are going to start unordered list and we are taking one example of unordered list. For unordered list, here we have to type UL and close our UL on the last. Okay. In that we can give our list item, li. Suppose I am giving here pen. Next li, giving pencil. Next I am giving suppose eraser. Okay, this is my HTML. Now I am saving this file. So I am giving ul.html. Okay, and save. Okay, when I open that file in the browser, that display in this format. Okay, just simple one bullet come before the items, that is the unordered list. By default this field circle, that's called disk, that appears before the item. If suppose I want to change it, then we can change in the circle or square. Okay, for that purpose here we have to use a type attribute is equal to, in the inverted code, what you want. Okay, this is by default. Now you can give the circle or square. Suppose I am giving here square. Okay, save this, refresh this file. Now look here, that's square appears before the item. Okay, this is unordered list. Third one is your circle. Okay, on the place of this square, if you want to give the circle, just type here and save this and refresh. So this empty circle appears. Okay, so that type is the attribute of your unordered list. In this type you can give either this, circle or square. There are three possible values of this type. If you want to apply any style here, then you can do in the style tag. Okay, just like our previous example. I am putting here inside the head style and in the last close your style. Okay, and that suppose I want to give some font style and font color. So I am putting here li, then curly bracket, font size. Suppose I am giving here 40 pixels and my color red. Okay, that's my li style. Got it? Now save this and refresh. Wait. Okay, then close this, refresh. So look here, that red color and the size, font size, that's increase with the help of style. In the same manner, on the place of this default black, if you want to put any image, in that case you have to pass the URL in the style. Like here I am putting UL because I want to apply the image as a bullet in the unordered list, the UL and your list style image. Okay, your list style image colon sign URL, pass your URL where you save the file your. PNG file I am giving. Either you may take PNG or JPG. Okay, now save this and refresh. So look here, that image appears as a bullet. Okay, this is your unordered list. Now the next is order list. Okay, in the order list, suppose I am just removing this style. I'm not giving any style in the order list. Here you can put OL, just removing this type. Okay, and close your OL for your order list. Okay, now refresh. So your order list come by default 1 2 3. This is the default numbering of your order list. Okay, again you can change this with the help of type attribute. Here you can use type attribute in the order list. By default it's come in the from the 1 2 3 in the numeric format. Okay, so here I am using type is equal to, I want to give capital ABC. Okay, let's refresh. So my this order list start from ABC. Okay, here we can use this small a also. Save, then start from ABC. Okay, we can give this Roman numbers small I and refresh, so it comes in this format. Okay, that's the order list. In this order list you can pass 5 types. Okay, default is 1 2 3. Okay, second capital A, third small a, fourth capital I, and fifth small I for Roman letters. Okay, so it comes in this format. Okay, if you want to change the start position, then you can give here start. I want to start this from suppose third place. Okay, start equal to 3 I gave here. Now look, that will start from the third, fourth, fifth. Okay, in the same manner you can use in the numeric also. Suppose here I am giving capital A and start from the 5. Now refresh, then start from the EFC. Okay, so with the help of start you can set your start point in the order list. Here suppose I am writing one more thing. Start equal to 5 and I am giving here okay reversed, so that will start in the reverse order. Okay, you will get in the list in the reverse order. Now refresh this. Now look here, EDC, that's comes in the reverse order. Okay, now take another example of your order list. I am removing this. Okay, we are taking default 1 2 3 4. Here I am adding one more option, that's the ally. I am giving suppose computer. Okay, that's my list. In the computer I want to display sub part of computer like your keyboard, then your monitor, then your CPU. Okay, for this purpose we can give here, I am giving before closing this order list, I'm start suppose unordered list. Okay, in unordered list, the last this unordered list will close. I will give li CPU li, then keyboard, then li, and I'm giving here monitor. Okay, now save this. Now look here, that's a nested list. Okay, after this, when I close this and I'm typing here any item like CD, okay, look here, that CD will come on the fifth place. Okay, this is called nesting. Okay, this is nested list. When you use one list in the another list, that is called nested list. Okay, here I am using this unordered list inside the order list. This order list is closed in the last. Okay, so this is called nested list. In this way you can create your nested list. Either you may select here unordered list, or you can take order list also. Okay, next type is your description list. That is mainly used to display a list of items or value and other. Okay, here I am changing this. Okay, and here we can use the description list. For that, here we can use DL. Inside the DL I am using DT, and here I am giving you CPU. Close my DT. Next DD, here I am giving the full form of CPU. Okay, that's Central Processing Unit, and close my DD. Next I am giving here one more DT, that is MU. Close DT, and in the DD I am giving my description, memory unit. Close DD and close my DL. Now refresh this. This is your description list. That's the heading. Then now after that, what you type, that comes in the description. Okay, here I'm using DT, this DT for definition term, and DD for definition description. Okay, so whatever I am typing here inside the DD, that will come in the definition. Okay, that maybe come in the 2 line or 4 line. Okay, it's depend on your content. Okay, in the next video we will learn how to insert image in the web page.